Hello and welcome to this quick update about Kiddieland. So remember this video? Well, Kiddieland's just finished building up and obviously Hellraiser wasn't there as it's being refurbished. Well, it turns out all my predictions were wrong. Now from photographs I've seen, the lineup's basically the same as last year. You have the View Wheel and Alpine Hotel. But there's no sign of Samba balloons, but I believe they will be returning, as last year the Samba balloons weren't there until halfway through the season. But anyway, let's look at what replaced Hellraiser. So this is what Kiddieland looks like at the moment. As you can see, like I said, there was Alpine Hotel and the big wheel. But when you look down at the corner at the side of Hellraiser, there's a new waltzer on the site. I can confirm that that is Thomas Wilmot's Master Blaster Waltzer. Now this waltzer has spent the past couple of years operating at Wilmot's other park, Bundoran Adventure Park down in the Republic. However, it used to attend the Monster Halloween Fun Fair in Derry. Now from footage I've seen of this ride running in Bundoran, it doesn't look ridiculously fast, but hey, at least Master Blaster has some effects. Hellraiser got all of them removed in 2018 I think. It'll probably look absolutely stunning at night. Now I'm aware that this is only staying until Hellraiser is completely refurbished, and at the moment they are making a lot of progress with refurbishing it. I'm pretty sure it'll be ready by next year. Now that's all I have to say about the new waltzer at Kiddieland. I can't wait to try Master Blaster once Kiddieland opens. What are your thoughts on this new waltzer at Kiddieland? Thank you for watching, and goodbye.